तो यहाँ पे हम जबल शम्स की खूबसूरत रिजॉर्ट में सनराइज देखते हुए, you can see the sun is coming up now. Such a beautiful view. Hi everyone, this is Vikram Aditya and I welcome you to my channel Travel Diaries with Adi. आज के वीडियो में we have come to this beautiful mountain resort of जबल शम्स रिजॉर्ट। ये ओमान का सबसे हाईएस्ट माउंटेन्स में से एक है एंड इनफैक्ट द वैली इज़ कॉल्ड द ग्रैंड कैनियन ऑफ ओमान। So we'll show you some footages which will tell you how beautiful this place is.
So आगे बढ़ने से पहले let me show you the best attraction of this place, the incredible sunrise. You will now see how this entire area turns into a golden oasis.
तो यहाँ पे अभी इतनी ठंड है कि ऑलमोस्ट आप देख सकते हैं आई एम वेयरिंग अ थिक लेयर ऑफ जैकेट्स और मेरी उंगलियां जो हैं वो एकदम ही नम होती जा रही हैं। इट्स लिटरली फ्रीजिंग हियर। रात में तो द टेम्परेचर गोज़ टू 2 and 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस। अभी इस समय टेम्परेचर विल बी अराउंड 6-7 डिग्रीज। बट व्हाट एन अमेजिंग प्रॉपर्टी दिस इज़, सीरियसली। लेट मी जस्ट शो यू अराउंड। तो आइए चलिए हम आपको एक इस प्रॉपर्टी का एक टूर कराते हैं एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी हैव। आई विल शो यू द सराउंडिंग ऑफ दिस property, also this surrounding area of this property. So let's go. So ये है यहाँ का entrance and reception is just at the entrance gate. You can see some cars parked there and then some staff who are hanging around. This is how it looks when you are entering to the property. A nice view of the surrounding area. Let's go further and see what we have here.
So this side we have the restaurant.
It's closed now. Let's check out the timing. I think it's open from 7 to 9. The breakfast time is 7 to 9 and then lunch time is 12 to 3 o'clock. Evening dinner is open from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. is the backyard of the chalets. This is similar to the backyard of the stone houses. It's just that these are all independent cottages. So we are staying at these stone houses. They are all interconnected rooms. Not really interconnected, but then it's a single structure wherein the rooms are just adjacent to each other. And then we have the option of staying at the tents. I'm sure this would be exciting, but with this kind of temperature, my recommendation is don't stay in the tents.
One very good thing is that you can bring your car all the way up to your room. Let's go further and check out the rest of the property now.
They've maintained it pretty well. So here we have this swimming pool. Let's see how it looks. It's an open swimming pool. Here are the safety instructions. Okay, so no lifeguard on duty. So you are on your own. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is a decent size swimming pool, not a very big one. आइए अभी चलते हैं और बाकी की प्रॉपर्टी को देखते हैं. There are some sitting spaces, outdoor sitting spaces. Pretty nice one actually. यहाँ पे आप ये देख सकते हैं अरेबिक स्टाइल का सिटिंग. Pretty nice and cozy one. And then we have this nice fountain. Let's go further. You have some bench and tables in case if you just want to sit with your family and friend. And then these are the chalets. So that side we have a small play area जहाँ पे we have got some swings and then some space for some recreational activities. Let's see what all we have here.
So as I was telling you, you can bring your car all the way up to your room. Overall, it's a good property with options for kids and grown-ups. You can spend a great time with your family and friends. So let's go further and see what do we have in this area. So this side we have all independent cottages. Quite fascinating and cozy kind of accommodation.
Let me just show you how it looks. So this is how the play area looks like. Some options for kids to play.
There is a space to play volleyball here. And then there is this nice view of the mountains.
आइए अभी अपने रूम का जो है मैं आपको टूर दिखाता हूँ.
So these are the stone houses that we have. They call it as sunset chalets.
ये है हमारा रूम S106. We'll just go inside. So this is the room that we have. तो यहाँ पे आपका वॉशरूम है. Some toiletries, shower cubicle, and then let's see क्या amenities हैं. Tea coffee maker, small dining table, sofa जहाँ पे I have kept my stuff, and this is the best part.
The backyard area of this room. So here we have some benches in the backyard, sitting on which you can enjoy the astonishing sunset. There is also a pit specially made for the bonfire.
और ये आसपास का एरिया है, आप देख सकते हैं. हमारे बगल वाले रूम का बैकयार्ड एरिया, एंड देन दिस साइड. There we have the beautiful mountain view.
Let me show you the full view of this area from here.
So hi everyone, here I am. We are at the resort. Here I am with my friend Jashwant.
Hi.
I've been here in Oman for last 2 years, and for the first time in 2 years I'm coming actually to the mountain. What about you, Jashwant?
See, I'm been here Oman for 9 years, and this is my first trip to Jebel Shams.
Wow.
It is so amazing.
9 years and never to the mountains. So I'm pretty okay that ways. Just 2 years and first time coming here. Great. So how are you enjoying this place?
Yeah, it is fantastic. I mean, the climate is so awesome, so cold. So we are all with the jackets here. You know, it is such a great experience being here in Jebel Shams.
Absolutely. It's pretty cold here. I don't know what is the temperature, but then definitely if we are wearing this jacket, you can imagine how cold this place is.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Before I sign off, let me show you some incredible shots of this property and its surrounding areas.